Y'all know I love these rounds. I use them for everything. So that's what we're gonna be working with tonight. You can get these at Hobby Lobby. There's like, I think, 6 to a bag. They're like 10 by 10. All right, we're gonna be mixing Pink Blast by Craftsmart and Light Pink by Craftsmart. I like to mix my own paints. Y'all, this is gonna be such a cute little project. A lot of times you'll hear me say I make stuff for Easter and then I think of a little girl's room or a little nursery. And so y'all be the judge. Y'all know what I mean. We're gonna really zhuzh it up. So these are the two colors. I'm gonna combine them. And let me see what we can get here. We're just gonna paint the round just on a couple of sides. All right, I'm just gonna paint the sides of this because y'all are gonna see what I'm gonna do. Isn't that a pretty color? I just combined the two to make this color. I love mixing my own paint colors. That way you get what y'all. I'm just gonna be doing the sides like that, and I'm gonna blow dry them right quick. We're gonna make an Easter, little Easter sign. All right, you guys, let me tell you what we've got here. Look at this beautiful bunny. Isn't she pretty? And then you notice the sweet little chick down here and all the pretty flowers and the egg. We are going to decoupage this on there, and we're gonna zhuzh it up. Round. And I'm gonna cut it accordingly. Let me get it just right. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna take this excess off like this, around the edges. Stuff. So all I did was I cut that out to fit. And what I'm gonna do before we get going here, because I always forget, I'm gonna turn this over, try to get the very top of it there. And I'm gonna go ahead and add some ribbon so we can hang it. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on there so that we can hang it from a door or a knob. I like to hang a lot of things from knobs on furniture. All right, that's all I did on the back so that we can hang that later. And this is wire edge, so it'll form to whatever. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and just go ahead and get this on here. It's just Mod Podge. I'll get him on here, or her. I keep calling it him, don't I? I tend to do that with things. Alright. That's what we have so far, but I'm gonna have to put a little bit more of this. This is what we have so far. Is that not the sweetest little bunny? And we're gonna zhuzh her up. Let me make sure I don't have any Mod Podge here. And all this was a little round, 10 by 10 round. Now, this little ribbon that y'all saw me use a while ago, I made a little bow out of it. Thank y'all for coming back. Sorry, I keep losing you. Anyway, I made a little shoelace bow. And I'm just gonna cut it right quick. Cut it. I'm gonna put this sweet little bow on her neck there, and I'll hold it up so y'all can see. I look dark again. I hope it's not for you guys, sorry. Let's see here. So, y'all can't hardly see it probably because it's sheer, but it's cute. What I was thinking for her is, look how cute these are. They're like a little flower. So it kind of goes with the whole theme, right? Little pearls. I think we're gonna put this on top of the, on top of her bow. Look how much that dressed her up. Oh my goodness. Does she not look like a Victorian bunny? And I found this tiny, tiny little sweet crown. Some of them look like crowns, and some of them look more like little tiaras. So this is what I found. This sweet little crown right here with the rhinestones in it. All right, you guys. This little chickadee, I pointed him out to y'all earlier for a reason. He's gonna have a sweet little crown. He's too cute, little royal chickadee. And our little bunny with her pretty little, she just looks so frilly, doesn't she?
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.